good YouTube? It's your boy UNITY. You are not back into me, you dig? Yeah. Hey, I know it's been a while, man. I missed y'all. I missed you, and I missed you. You dig, bro? Some things don't happen. You feel me? Some things don't happen. I'm in the process of moving here and there, and you feel me, bro? It's just a lot. It's a lot. But I'm a thug.
Don't worry about me. I'm a thug.
I'm a survivor. I'm a soldier. I'm a warrior. You feel me, bro? So how to evolve.
How does one evolve? Do you know? Do you know?
Me personally, first of all, I'm gonna say this. Hit that like and subscribe for your boy, cause I forgot to say it in the intro. So let's do it. Thank you. Anyway, so look, how to evolve yourself to be the GOAT that you destined to be. You look at where you were, where you was, and where you at, right? And you have to really unbiasedly ask yourself, what can I do better, right? For example, I know damn well I could really do videos every fucking day, but I don't. Why?
Jacking off, playing video games, and that's it. Eating, jacking off, playing video games, and sleep.
I don't know, but you get what I'm saying though. You just take your flaws, take your wrongs, and see what can you do better, bro. And you try to just make that a habit of just doing like little reports on yourself, I guess you could say it, to simplify it. Like you just watch yourself and grade yourself like, damn, I could have did better on that. Or you get into an argument with your girl or boy, and like after y'all start talking to each other, you could have been like, damn, you know what? I could have resolved that issue. It could have went a whole different way. You dig what I'm saying, bro? Like you just want to evaluate the situation. Big words. Big words. Evaluate. Can you spell it? Can you spell it? I can spell it. Evaluate. E B A U L A T. Is that how you spell it? We finna find out. Not for how you spell evaluate, like we're talking. I was wrong.
You stupid.
Yeah, bro, you just look at the whole situation, the overview of things, and take what you can do, and little by little, bro, you try to improve it as much as you can, bro. And that's how you gonna muster up. Females too. You ain't excluded. Females, you can do some things better. Like for example, when your butt no damn well, you could be exercising, going on the walk, doing squats, lunges, push-ups, jumping jacks, squat dips, something, you know what I'm saying? But no, what you want to do all day? Sit your ass down, and you wanna clown around. So you better gon' call Tyrone. Y'all can tell I ain't been on YouTube and Reddit, bro. I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. I enjoy it though, real talk. Look, man, look. You just be real with yourself. That's all you gotta do. Like you just get up, look yourself in the mirror, and just be like, what have I done? Where can I improve in my life? You feel me? Yeah, it's your friends, bro. Is your friends rooting for you? Like, do you have a good foundation of friendships that can really boost you? Because it's like, bro, if your friends not boosting you, how you supposed to boost you? Then they're not your friends, bro. Like, dead ass, bro. Like, on some real technical, like, factual shit. You dig what I'm saying, bro? If you ain't got people around your circle that's like telling you, like, yo, I don't think that's the best of your interest, or, you know what I'm saying? I don't think you trying hard enough, or, you know what I'm saying, bro? There's people who motivate you to get on your shit, and they have the best interest for you at the end of the day. You dig what I'm saying, bro? And it's just like, you want to surround yourself with people like that as much as you can, because those going to be the ones that carry you and lift you, and you can eat with them on your journey to success, or whatever that you want to get to. You dig what I'm saying, bro? So that's just how I look at things for what it is. And I had to cut a lot, bro. Like, a lot of people off. Like, I'm not saying that you gotta talk to people every day, but it's like, if you not even gonna call me and say some positive shit every now and then, bro, it's a text. I mean, it's a. Hey, bro. I see you, bro. Keep going. Every other week. Is that gonna kill you, nigga? Little. Hey, bro. I see you on YouTube. Where you been, bro? I've been waiting for your content. Oh shit. Hey, is that gonna kill you? I don't think it's gonna kill you. Like, what's the issue? You know what I'm saying? So you just really gotta just all areas of your life, bro. Where can you improve on, bro? Real talk. That's pretty much it for this video. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna do more videos when I come back from work. Right now, I'm just trying to get out something. I'm trying to do something before I go to work. You feel me? So it's just a little introduction. I'm back. I'm here to stay. I ain't going nowhere. I promise you. UNITY, nigga. I'm out. You dig? Yeah.